also something yet to win the Nehru Trophy boat race, but they have vied with the giants in the boat race, that is Chabakalam. Yes, the next event, Shundan number heats number 2 is also commencing.
Now the Nehru Trophy is gaining momentum, moment after moment, excited moments, thrilling moments, all anxious and curious. The entire crowd is in jubilant mood. The whole crowd excited because the star attraction of this race, the competition in Chundan, that is in progress. The first heats is over and shortly the second heats will begin from the east to the west. As said earlier, roughly 1,400 meters in 4 tracks. 20 teams are participating. 20 clubs are participating in this second heats, after which they are all looking forward to reaching the finals. And people are all anxious. Hundreds and thousands of people are all looking forward to that moment where the team will snatch away the prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru Trophy in 2022. That is the moment of excitement, anxiety, curiosity, everything mixed together. This is probably the last team in the first heats of this Chundan. Now moving on to the second heats right from the west, moving towards the west. Now the boat reaching almost slowly far behind the other fellow runners and reaching the finishing point almost slowly, waiting for the second heats to commence. You look at the eastern side from where the heats begin, and in the western end, 1,400 meters track ends at the western end of the lake. This lake, as it is opened for the competition, probably these heats, 3 more heats are left behind, after which we are going to find another spectacular show by the women rowers. The women rowers participating in the women competition. In the Tekkanodi Tharavallam group and Tekkanodi Vanitha Kettuvallam. These 2 teams which are going completely represented by women rowers after the heats. This is the third heat, almost 1/3 of the track they have covered. Moving on to the middle of the track. In the first lane it is Vellankulangara. Lane number 2 it is Karichal Chundan. Lane number 3 it is Karuvata Sri Vinayagan. And in 4th lane Paipadan, all prestigious, famous Chundans that have participated in almost all Nehru boat races. Well experienced people, well experienced rowers. You see it jumps like a horse. You see the yellow clad boat coming forward. Spectacular way, exciting moments, thrilling moments, all clad in yellow, all painted in yellow, the boat rowing forward. What a rhythm, what a unity, what an integrity. You see the rhythmic movement of all, more than 100 rowers rowing together in all excitement. The henchmen, the cheerleaders, all in a festive mood, moving, touching the finishing point after the second heats in which these all popular Chundans have participated. Now for the second and third place, there is a neck-to-neck fight. Now the second track. Now in the second heats, the Chundans are reaching all